Hi everyone, welcome to Bond Bytes, the daily bond market highlights from INRBonds. I'm Arjun Patsarthi, and today's highlights is US is exporting inflation through a very fast rise in wage growth. And as US wages rise sharply, there's more and more demand from US consumers, which is going to be met by countries like India. And as India exports more to the US, there could be a lot of demand in India itself, and without supply matching demand, inflation could sharply rise in India. US Treasury yields rose sharply uh, on the wage growth rise, on worries of on worries of inflation and Fed tapering of bond purchases sooner than expected. Indian GSEC yields fall marginally after rising sharply over the last 2 weeks. The chart of the day shows US consumer price index, which has risen sharply, and with US wage growth rising sharply over a period of time due to labor shortages, then you could see inflation trending much higher. We don't know how the impact is going to be as we go along, but if this kind of trend continues in US wage and labor shortage there, then you could have a serious impact on global inflation, and commodity prices will tend to rise much further. As we thank you for watching the Bond Bites, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel as well as attend our webinar on Friday this week on rates and InvITs. It is a masterclass on rates and InvITs. Many retail investors have asked me what are retail InvITs and rates and whether they can invest in them, whether they are equity or fixed income, and how to look at them in terms of investments. So I will answer all these questions on Friday. Don't forget to participate in the webinar. It's just rupees 200 plus GST. The participation link is given below. And if you participate in the webinar, you will get a free subscription to our online bond store, QuickInvest, which gives you a very strong and curated list of bonds along with all the relevant information, including the risk on each bond to a proprietary risk score, so that you make the right investment decisions, along with a whole host of other products that will be available to you through QuickInvest. Thank you very much and look forward to your participation in the webinar.